Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to talk about kitchen tech gadgets which we are likely to see in CES event. Before starting countdown, please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon, so you can get regular notifications. On number 3, AutoIQT and Coffee Maker. Go beyond the coffee house with the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system. This brewing system gives you the ability to brew hot, flavorful cups of coffee and tea or over ice beverages, all powered by advanced thermal flavor extraction technology with AutoIQT ways to enjoy over ice coffee and tea. Choose between smooth, naturally sweet cold brewed coffee or tea and vivid. On number 2, Deluxe Baby Bottle Warmer. Electric steam heat that quickly warms baby bottles and food jars. This convenient electric steam warming system fits all Dr. Brown's bottles and most other bottle brands. Easy to use and operate, this unit effectively warms several bottles before water refilling is necessary. And on number 1, Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Your cramped kitchen may not lend itself to a built-in dishwasher, but that doesn't mean you need to deny yourself one. The Black Plus Decker Compact Countertop Dishwasher has plenty of room and plenty of features. It can accommodate 6 place settings, including dinner plates up to 10 in. It has 7 wash programs, yet can easily sit on a standard countertop. That's it in this video. Which product you like the most, tell us in the comments section. Also, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Take care.